Lovely atu ki matalosi. Welcome back to Tuesday Night Netball. Looking forward to having a run. I'm shooting today. I'm only going to play one quarter because I've got an injured foot, so just have to get the shots in, and that's enough.
Wow, it's another exciting night tonight. See how we go. I think we're going to do well, eh, miss? But it's just a game, so yeah, wish us luck. Okay, thank you. Makalapatu, back to playing tonight. We could just give it our best, but it's social netball, so it should be fun.
Oh man, we had a close game. Tonight it was 34-29. We had a lot of mistakes, just basic handling errors, and then at the end we couldn't finish it off with our shooters, but we improved a lot on our fitness, teamwork, communication, so we're doing pretty well for a team that doesn't train. So yeah, thank you. Missy got injured today. Christian's missing today, so we got his email to say he wasn't available, but if you find any powers or oysters up north, bro, make sure you bring them down. We had a good run today, but it would have been good if you were here, but that's alright. We nearly had them, and thanks to Steve for coming down. Another person who didn't make it was Faith. So come on, Faith, you got to make it down. Good
luck. Final score 34-29. Not bad, not bad. There was a time they were twice the numbers were ahead of us. So yeah, alright. Stevenson too. Thank you. No. Okay. Makalapala atu. Kita kita festival si kita pilih itu bukan pilihan kata toru. Say I think the ni longa lagi masa kau hal toru si AK sub toru si laki pakai hui hak si ayam pakai. Mau haya, mau kata mahida. We're on the cheering squad now. I'll go and see what's happening with my calf muscle tomorrow. But great game, and I love playing with you guys, so makawalaki.
Pakalapatu ke matolosi. Whiwhialahi ke pele, se ola. Ole atu ke mutolu, hepe poke hako, ua nimo ke wangahoni wei. Wangahoni wei tino. Pakalahi, to Pelevea, to Pakahau, Aho Ua, you know where it is. Koikia.